5 quick dishes of eggs you can try for your protein intake. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, providing a rich source of high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, an athlete, or simply someone looking to incorporate more protein into your diet, eggs are a versatile 5 quick dishes of eggs you can try for your protein intake. And convenient option. We'll explore 5 quick and delicious egg dishes that not only satisfy your taste buds but also help meet your protein requirements. 1. Classic scrambled eggs with spinach and feta. Start your day right with a classic yet upgraded version of scrambled eggs. Whisk together a couple of eggs and pour them into a hot, lightly oiled skillet. As the eggs begin to set, toss in a handful of fresh spinach leaves and crumble some feta cheese over the top. The spinach adds a dose of vitamins and minerals, while the feta contributes a creamy texture and a burst of flavor. This dish is not only high in protein but also a great source of calcium, making it an excellent choice for those looking to support bone health. 2. Protein-packed egg salad. Egg salad is a timeless favorite, and by adding a few extra ingredients, you can turn it into a protein powerhouse. Hard-boil a few eggs, chop them finely, and mix them with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise for a healthier twist. Include diced celery, red onion, and a sprinkle of chives for added crunch and flavor. Spread the egg salad on whole grain toast or enjoy it wrapped in a lettuce leaf for a low-carb option. This dish not only provides a substantial protein boost but also offers a good balance of macros for a satisfying and filling meal. 3. Mushroom and Spinach Omelette. Omelettes are a quick and customizable way to incorporate eggs into your diet. Whisk together eggs and pour them into a hot, non-stick skillet. Add a generous portion of sliced mushrooms and fresh spinach to the eggs as they begin to set. Fold the omelette in half, allowing the veggies to cook until tender. Mushrooms contribute a meaty texture and are rich in vitamins, while spinach adds fiber and additional nutrients. Top your omelette with a sprinkle of cheese for an extra dose of flavor. This dish is not only delicious but also a great way to sneak in some extra veggies for added nutritional benefits. 4. Avocado and Egg Breakfast Burrito. Combine the creamy goodness of avocado with the protein punch of eggs in a hearty breakfast burrito. Scramble eggs in a pan and set them aside. In the same pan, warm a whole grain tortilla. Spread mashed avocado on the tortilla, add the scrambled eggs, and top it with salsa or hot sauce for a kick of flavor. Avocado provides healthy fats and additional vitamins, making this dish a well-rounded and nutritious breakfast option. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in this breakfast burrito will keep you energized throughout the morning. 5. Baked egg cups with spinach and tomato. For a convenient and portable protein snack, try baked egg cups. Preheat the oven and line a muffin tin with spinach leaves and diced tomatoes. Crack an egg into each cup and bake until the eggs are set. These egg cups are not only easy to make but also customizable with your favorite vegetables and herbs. Packed with protein, vitamins, and antioxidants, they make a perfect on-the-go snack or a quick breakfast option for busy mornings.